Alex and Sophia are discussing irregular yo forms and practical uses of verbs like poner, salir, ver, and oír. Flipping through the textbook, these irregular yo forms are driving me crazy. Why can't they all just follow the same pattern? I get it, but once you see the logic, it's not so bad. Let's go through some examples. Which one's confusing you the most? All of them. But let's start with hacer. It's supposed to mean to do or to make, right? But why is it hago for yo instead of hako? Sophia, that's just how irregulars work. Hago follows the same pattern as verbs like poner and salir, where the yo form ends in go. For example, yo hago, yo pongo, and yo salgo. All right, I'll try to remember that. But what about the others, like traer? Is it trego too? Exactly. Traer is trego in the yo form. And don't forget ver and oír. They're a bit different because ver is veo and oír becomes oigo. So yo hago, yo pongo, yo salgo, yo trego, yo veo, and yo oigo. Got it. But what's the point of knowing all these? When would I even use them? Great question. Let's take poner as an example. It can mean to put, but it's also used for turning on appliances. Like Carlos pone la radio means Carlos turns on the radio. Oh, so poner isn't just about physically placing something? Nope. Context is key. Same with salir. It means to leave, but you can use salir de to show where you're leaving from, like hoy salgo del hospital. Today I leave the hospital. And ver is to see. So I could say yo veo la televisión, right? Exactly. And oír means to hear, but it's also used for listening in some contexts. For instance, oigo música en la otra sala. I hear music in the other room. Okay, I'm following so far, but what about using these in everyday conversation? How do I actually practice? Try this. Ask me what I'm doing right now. ¿Qué haces ahora? Estoy estudiando español contigo. And you? Estoy aprendiendo. Wait, is that right? Perfect. Now let's add some irregular verbs. Suppose I say, yo pongo la televisión más tarde. How would you respond? I'd say, yo no pongo la televisión. Prefiero salir con mis amigos. Muy bien. That's how you bring these verbs into real-life situations. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Thanks, Sophia. I think I'm starting to get it. Let's try a few more. They continue practicing, building confidence with irregular yo forms and their practical uses.